Let me show you how to make the real firewood Nigerian delicious party rice. To start with, you need to pour in some vegetable oil in your pot, and this vegetable oil you start by using it to fry your proteins, whether it's beef, whether it's fish, whether it's chicken. So for this recipe I'm using chicken. I'm going to fry the chicken first before I start cooking my party jollof rice. Fry the chicken until it is well fried and golden brown. For the first side, I fried it for 3 minutes and the other side is just going to take 2 minutes. Now we have the perfectly golden brown fried chicken, so it's time to take them out of the oil. If the oil you use in frying your chicken is a lot, you can go ahead to reduce this. Now add in diced or sliced onions to your oil. Make sure you reduce your firewood flame at this point so your onions does not get burnt like it is doing here. The fire was too much. Now it's time to add in our tomato paste. I'm using Gino tomato paste for this recipe. After adding the tomato paste, you need to stir fry this for like 10 minutes. You have to stir fry your tomato paste very well for 10 minutes. After the tomato paste is well fried, I'm going to add my pepper mix. For my pepper mixture, I have tomatoes, I have bell peppers, paprika pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and enough onions. Make sure your tomatoes are not too much. Add in enough bell pepper. It's going to make your jollof rice colorful and taste sweeter. So I'm going to fry this and fry it well. The more you fry your ingredients, the better the outcome of your party jollof rice. Now it's time to add in seasoning cubes. I'm using chicken seasoning cube and beef seasoning cube. This mixture makes the jollof rice bang. Mix it. Don't use just beef or don't use just chicken. Mix chicken and beef together. So I'm going to add my curry. I'm using Ducros curry for this recipe and I'm using Tiger Thyme for this recipe. I'm going to add this into the jollof base. The next ingredient I'm adding is bay leaf. I'm going to add my bay leaf and stir fry my stew once more. I'm going to stir fry this and make sure the stew fries very well. Make sure it fries very well. After the stew is well fried, I'm going to add in the chicken stock. You can add beef stock if that's what you have, and also add in enough water that can cook your rice. After adding this, it's time to add in salt. Then cover this up and allow it to boil very well, like boil rigorously. Look at it, look at the way it's boiling. Make sure the jollof base is boiling this way before you add in your rice. I'm using long grain rice for this recipe. Now it's time to transfer the rice into the jollof base. Stir this together so the rice can spread well in the pot. Then cover this up to cook. While I've covered this, I'm trying to set the firewood stick so that the fire surrounds the pot and every side is getting cooked. Look at it, every side is getting cooked. We don't want a case whereby some sides are cooked and some sides are uncooked. So that's why I'm setting my fire. After cooking for 5 minutes, I check the rice and give it a gentle stir. After stirring, I'm going to reduce the heat under the pot so that the jollof rice does not just get burnt, so that it can be well cooked. After cooking and the water is about to get dried, I'm going to add in the diced onions and give this a gentle stir. After a total of 20 to 25 minutes of cooking, our smoky jollof rice is ready. Can you see that goodness? Very tasty, rich, and has that firewood smoky flavor. Give this a gentle stir and serve it while it is steaming hot. This rice was delicious and I hope you follow and try this recipe. Thanks for watching.